Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 7. Solve for x in x 8x minus x power minus 2 is equals to 2 over 5. So we have to find x. We have to find x in this. Solve for x in 8x raised power of minus 2 is equals to 2 over 25. Now, we can simply say from this that x raised to the power of minus 2 is equal to 2 over 25 multiplied by 8. That's when divide both side by 8. Now from here we'll have that what? We'll have that x raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to 2 we cancel here, 1 and 2 here, 4. So it's equals to 1 all over 25 times 4. Now x raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to 1 all over 100, because 25 times 4 will give us 100. So we have x minus 2, x raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to 1 all over 100. X raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to 1 over 100. That means 1 all over x raised to the power of 2 is equal to 1 all over 100. X raised to the power of minus is the same 1 all over x raised to the power of 2 is equals to what? 1 over 100. So therefore we can now say that x raised to the power of 2 is equal to 100. Now x will be equals to the square root of 100, which is equal to 10. So x is 10, which is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.